word families for our early learners, early readers. K-Week, brought to you by AMSIN. Check us out on the web at americanschoolofenglish.info. Let's dive right in. So, today we're going to do some unfamily words. Just a simple review. Un. U-N. The sound for UN is un. Vowel U, short vowel sound Consonant N, short consonant sound n. Put them together, un. Ready? Say it with me. Un. Good. Let's move on. Bun. Bun. Fun. 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 None. None. Run. 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 Sun. 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 Hun. 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 Jun. 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 Mun. 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 Vun. 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 Yun. 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 Good job. Actually, one more time. We have one more to go, sorry. Zun. Zun. Good job. Now, let's do that one more time. Okay? Let's get ready, guys. Un. Bun. Fun. None. Run. Sun. Hun. Jun. Lun. Mun. Vun. Yun. Zun. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is when you see the word bounce, I want you to repeat after me. Okay? Ready, set, go. Ready? Bun. Fun. None. run, sun, hun, jun, lun, mun, vun, yun, zun. Good job. Now, let's do some simple sentences to encourage our pre-readers to read a little. Okay, ready? Let's go. Number 1, I need a hamburger bun. I need a hamburger bun. 2, let's have fun at the park. Let's have fun at the park. 3, nuns work at churches. Nuns work at churches. 4, let's go for a run. Let's go for a run. 5, feel the hot sun. Feel the hot sun. 6, she called him hun. She called him hun. Ready? So I want you to do the sentence when you see it bounce. I'm going to read it, it'll bounce, and I want you to read it too. Ready? 1, I need a hamburger bun. 2, let's have fun at the park. 3, nuns work at churches. 4, let's go for a run. 5, feel the hot sun. 6, she called him hun. Good job. Let's move on. Number 7, Jun is short for June. Jun is short for June. I want you to repeat it. Ready? Jun is short for June. Good job. And that concludes our word family segment for today. Tune in next time for our family segment. Thank you. This segment was brought to you by AmSen. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day.